Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Nomad Brad, and in this video we're going to talk about how to start with Bing Ads affiliate marketing, the 3 biggest mistakes that you want to avoid. All right, so if you want to learn how to start and grow your online business, there are 3 really cool ways that you can help yourself to do that by liking, subscribing, or hitting the bell notification icon under this video. That would really be awesome. All right, so mistake number 1 that people make. So by the way, I have made some videos about Bing Ads, and through that I've built a program called the Bing Ads Bootcamp. And so I've gotten to have a few hundred people come through my training programs and comment on my videos and stuff like that. So I've seen a lot of what people are concerned with Bing Ads, and I've also had clients that I work with to build their Bing presence online. So I have a lot of experience with Bing, and I've seen the same mistakes over and over and over. So if you're going through one of these mistakes, then let's talk about it and what to do about it. So mistake number 1, not starting out with enough money. So it might not be as much as you think I'm gonna say, but a lot of people start off with Bing Ads because they want to do affiliate marketing, and they heard about this because they're hoping it will be a fast, easy way to make money. Of course, I mean that's what everybody wants, is a fast, easy way to make money. And they hear about Bing and they're like, they just get it. You know, it makes sense. You buy ads on a keyword, you send them to an affiliate offer, and they just buy. And you think that you're the first person who thought of this because you're a normal human being. I thought this too. Everybody thinks this. You think that you've got an edge on everybody. Because you realize, wow, I can just send Bing traffic to an affiliate offer. But everybody who's watching this video has thought of that, and there are lots more people who've thought of that as well. So it can be a way to make fast, relatively easy money, but it usually isn't. So most of the people that I see come in looking to do this are frustrated because they're starting out on a very low budget, and it's really difficult for them. You know, if they spend $10, that means a lot in their personal finance, but in the world of Bing, it doesn't mean that much. So yes, Bing relative to other traffic sources can be really, really cost effective. It can be really cheap and really amazing because you can get really good customers from there. But you know, if your budget, basically, here's the bottom line: if you don't have at least $100 per week to spend on just testing ideas, then I think that you should start with another free traffic method to start out with, and I recommend YouTube, and I'll talk more about that in a video down below. So if you're at this stage and you're wondering why it's so difficult to make that $10 turn into $1 million, it's probably because you don't have enough budget to test what you need to test. So basically, the Bing Ads affiliate game is about finding the right offer, finding the right landing page, finding the right opt-in to build a list. It's some combination of those things. Now, if you get the right offer with the right ad and the right landing page, you can make a profit. But there are people out there that it's just their full-time job to test offers and landing pages, and you know, you and I are just another one of those people trying that. And so it's just going to take some time, just like most things. So we'll talk more about it in a second. But if you don't have at least $100 a week to actually give entirely to the possibility that you won't make any money from that, a very likely possibility that you won't make any money from that, but you will be learning, then don't start with Bing Ads. I know it sounds easy, but you need at least a little bit of money to put into it, and you're going to get really frustrated and burnt out when you spend the 100. I've seen so many people that say, I have $200 and I need to make it profitable. Well, like, that doesn't make you special. I mean, I'm sorry to be tough, but everybody has $200 that they want to make into $10,000. Like, you have $200. Okay, well, this isn't a good match for you. Unless you have $200 consistently, like, that's a good starting point, to be honest, that to put in for your first attempt. But if you, and a lot of people say this to me, they say, I need this to work. I need this $200 to profit. I mean, that's just asking so much. I mean, unless you learn everything there is to learn and you have an insight and you know exactly which offer is going to convert, then you can make $200 into a lot more money. But you're going to need the skills and the knowledge, and you only get that skills and knowledge by either paying for it and learning it from somebody, or by trying stuff out and finding out what works. So if that's your mindset, if you're like, I have $100 and it has to work, then don't start with Bing ads. Don't start with paid traffic. Focus on a free traffic source until you start building up a regular cash flow from, and you can still do affiliate marketing very, very easily, but start building up cash flow from that, and then use that money to start figuring out the whole paid traffic affiliate thing. Now, if you do, then we'll talk about that. So anyways, check out the link in the description below to learn how to do affiliate marketing without a website in 2018 if you want to know more about free traffic strategies. So if you're not worried about that, I was going to say, I know a lot of people will probably just, not like what I just said, and because they really, really just want this $200 to work. So if you insist on trying to make affiliate marketing with Bing work on a tiny shoestring budget that doesn't get any bigger, then this is what I suggest. Start with the lowest bid possible for every single keyword and work your way up slowly. So literally start out at 1 penny per click as a bid and see if you get any traffic. Let it run for a few days, and if you don't get any traffic, bump it up to 2 cents, 3 cents, etc. It's possible that you could get this to work at a rate that works for your budget. I have seen it work before. It will kind of take a long time, and it will be arduous, and it's still not guaranteed either. I mean, what happens a lot is you'll make a sale pretty fast of an affiliate product, and then they'll die off, and so you'll be like, oh wow, I just spent $5 and I made 30. Holy shit. If it keeps going, it's just going to get better and better. If I'll put $100 in and I'll make 3,000, But in reality, you may make that sale, but it might take you another 10 days to make the second sale because of whatever factor, and in that time now you've gone negative. And so that's what's so discouraging if you don't have the budget to weather the storms, basically. Now, if you do have the budget, you're just like, okay, cool. That I'll just eliminate the keywords that didn't get conversions, et cetera, and that's the whole game. So also, if to make this work, you absolutely must watch the video linked in the description below called How to Start with Bing Ads Profitable on Day 1, so that you give yourself the best possible chance of succeeding. It's not going to be easy to make Bing ads work on a tiny, tiny, tiny budget. Now, you don't need much of a budget. A couple $100 here and there will work, but understand that you're buying data. So we're going to talk about that now. So mistake number 2 is being afraid to spend money. So this is kind of people on the other side that I see come in. This is people who have the capital or the budget but are afraid of losing money. And by the way, this is totally normal, especially for business owners. Likely, if you are successful to any degree, then you got there by being careful about how you spend your money, about watching your money, watching your finances, etc. So it's totally normal to be concerned about wasting money. That's okay. But in the paid traffic world, the wisdom is you're not spending money or wasting money. You're buying information. If you don't have that mindset in the beginning, then you're going to get very, very frustrated. And you're going to give up when you are just about to create a whole new amazing revenue stream that is almost autopilot. You really don't have to do very much work, and it just brings in lots more customers. So just keep in mind that you're not spending money. You are buying information. You're learning what works and what doesn't work. Now, obviously, that doesn't mean just blow money on something that isn't going to produce results. I know, you might be thinking that, like, well, I'm not just going to waste money. Obviously, you want to get results. So how do you make sure that you're more likely to get results? Well, that's why you simply must understand that you have to have the proper tracking in place for Bing. So you have to know exactly what's happening when people click on your ads, which keywords are converting, which ad groups are profitable, etc. You need to learn how to properly do keyword research and how to properly create ad groups and ads, and how to separate your ads to make sure that you're getting the best possible data from day 1 and you're giving yourself the best possible chance for profit. Again, if you want to do that, start by watching the video training that's linked below this video called How to Start on Bing Ads Profitable on Day 1. It's a longer video that I made that goes through 7 steps that I always go through with clients to make sure that we are giving ourselves the best chance for profitability right away. Keep in mind that paid traffic is a hard skill to master. It's going to take some practice and making mistakes, just like any other skill. And just like any other skill, the more that you invest in training and guidance, then the less likely you will be to make mistakes. So check out that free training below after you finish this video. Now, mistake number 3 is picking the wrong niche or offer. Again, when you're a beginner, what you don't realize is that you're a beginner. Like, you don't realize that you're doing beginner stuff. And none of us do. You know, with whatever we become beginners at, we don't realize that the instincts that we have are not our own. They are just what every single beginner goes through. So all beginners have the same instincts, ideas, and thoughts. So, for example, in this Bing Ads affiliate game, everyone thinks of promoting ClickBank offers first. They think they arrive at it in a genuine, organic way. They think, you know what, I've thought through it all, and based on all of my worldly experience, I'm going to decide to do ClickBank offers. Well, everybody makes that decision because ClickBank sounds the easiest. And it's the most well-known affiliate network. And it just makes the most sense for people. They get it. Like, okay, dog training product, I'm going to buy dog training keywords, send them to dog training product, instant profit. Boom. Get it. I get it. You know. But the thing is, everybody is having that thought. There is going to be more to it because there are at least tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, possibly millions of people who are having that thought and trying to do it to varying degrees. So you're going to have to be different. You're going to have to step up and learn something. And so everybody thinks of promoting ClickBank offers first. And specifically, everyone thinks of promoting the front page of ClickBank first. They go to ClickBank, they look at the front page of offers, and they go, I'm going to promote this one because it takes the least amount of effort to find an offer. And plus, you know that those offers are doing well, and they are. But it doesn't mean they're necessarily doing well for everyone in every traffic source, etc. So the other thing is that these offers and these niches are competitive. Weight loss particularly is notoriously hard to crack into, even especially on Bing. So yes, by going to Bing, you are getting less competition, which is great. That's a wise, clever thing to do. But you're now in the category of people who have reached this conclusion, which is the top tier of people who are looking to learn how to do paid traffic affiliate marketing. That the biggest group of people that want to do paid traffic affiliate marketing are trying to figure out, most likely they're trying to figure out Bing ads, and they're trying to figure out ClickBank. That's where most people go when they want to do paid traffic and they want to do affiliate marketing. Now, there are plenty of people who do CPA marketing as well, but CPA marketing is not one network. You know, there are lots of different networks. So not everyone's promoting all the same offer because there are lots of different networks in lots of different niches. Whereas ClickBank, there's like one list, and more people know about ClickBank than they do about all these different affiliate networks for CPA offers. So everyone goes ClickBank. They all want to promote the top offers. All right. So try to think a little bit more outside the box. Yes, you do want offers that convert well. You know, if you don't have a converting offer, then you're going to waste your money. It's going to be really frustrating. But try to go for something that has inherent pain built in. This is a way that you can, this is just a really, really good match for search engine traffic, which Bing is. So there's interruption marketing where, you know, like Facebook, YouTube, those are where somebody is going about their business, doing something else, and then you put your ad in front of them and they go, wow, I didn't even know that existed. I wasn't thinking about that. Or maybe I was thinking about it, but I didn't come to Facebook to think about it. But now I am thinking about it and I need it. Well, Bing is purely intent driven. So it's somebody goes to Bing to solve a problem. So the most likely sale you're going to make is for a product that inherently has intent built in and pain. So basically something that's really embarrassing, something that's just, they just need to solve quickly. So think about that when you're looking at offers, especially if you're looking on ClickBank. Think about the ones that involve some sort of embarrassment, shame, guilt, fear, or pain. Something that they need to solve immediately, because that person is just going to be more likely to, be ready to buy something than someone who's browsing around at, for example, recipes or something. There's a lot of ClickBank products about food, but when somebody, is looking around at different recipes and diets, they don't need to get a cookbook. They might like a cookbook, and if they see the right offer at the right time, they will get a cookbook, but they don't need it right now. Whereas there are plenty of products on ClickBank and other networks that are pain-oriented, embarrassment-oriented, etc. So that's going to make it more likely that they want the solution that you're providing. So if you want to learn how to avoid these mistakes, number one, check out the free training videos linked in the description below that I mentioned in this video. Number two, comment below with which of these mistakes you've made the most and why you think you made them. And I'm going to choose one new person every week who commented below this video and give them access to my Bing Ads Bootcamp training. So make sure to leave your comment. Don't worry if you're making these mistakes. We all do. I have. Everyone does. And, let's just level up and get to the next stage because, that's where we want to go. All right. So thanks for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon.